the country will come out and promise you, say, Oba Obeti Patruso. Me mame estake bari mame mwakwaba. Segana fu yetimi ehihye yadwere ne nyini duru baabi se yetini amase yenim de ekoso wo wiase a the Ghanaian politician will start thinking as a real leader of a society. But enam se Jimmy no edoso batare amanfo ho nti no. NDC no say omudin tro eka nkwase asem kora na. There are people who will never read, who will never go for research, who will never have self-informed informations. The obekano ene ne beda ne tim na ene na odi begina so akwakoto aba. Eno hu nsunsuanso ene de yegina mu enei. Meka wo yana makambe siasem besotio. Se utie the campaign message of Dr. Alhaji Mahama Bawumia 2024. Eni yura John Darega Dramani Mahama edia. The differences are clear. Dr. Bawumia messages were about let's work together to build the country from difficulties. Ebrebia mono yamai FM. Yewra Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia nkojina platform so ankase mepe ye president a patrone bo be ko form kra. Yewra Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia ankase oba dollar ebe ko form kra. But Yewra Bawumia assure say there are ways and means ebe tumi aya. Ebe masabio even se patro kwa ne bo kosoro kura mpona emmeye adekese bi wo yeman mu. So the man was talking about bringing in state buses, electrical. The man was talking about building solar panels. Sebe to media kate the electricity the petrol ne produce sebe to me kate 50% na be solar. Now the price of electricity in our country so is what 50%. But there was an idea and there was a plan. Listen, there was an idea. The idea is to solve this cost of fuel price, high price. It was also a solution to a problem. And it is a Dr. Bawumia campaign on fuel soa. Because the price of fuel does not depend on Ghana, but it depends globally. He did not talk about I will let fuel price come down. But he actually said, he is going to make sure we will consume less fuel. That is a solution. But listen to the messages that this Nkrofo will cover fuel home. Akufo-Addo is insensitive. MPP are buying is insensitive. How can you add this tax to them? Ye kaya drubabi say taxes ibinum go patro no so a gu hobe say yes. The enti ayede ba ye atwam bastor an yegusoje enti Akufo-Addo na ye wicked eno enti a sabio oguso a oji taxes ibinum adi. Enti omode omoba they will reduce the fuel price to the lowest level. Timiyepa. Enemy about me, Badima. Dear Ben, Titro Pa at the fuel level, at the fuel economy, no, saying is it here. The fuel economy of the country today, saying is it here. Because Oman to say money, ye hear solutions. So ye hear solutions. The fuel of the country, the fuel price of the day is this one here. Timiepa. Price of fuel in your country today, no, it is this one here. Timiepa. This is Goyo fuel price, 31st March 2026. Saying, Baumiane woho. Enanka sabiu. Because of global crisis in tea. Ahokyera ba ena patro bo kosra. Nke enam se our energy enye solely produced by fuel. Na mom no eye half by fuel and half by natural sun no. And even though the prices of these things are higher, but it wouldn't have affected us. But then Crofo na no more can say ya we mumra ne yankocheni ye de ye buy ye betwa petrol so petrol why and look at the price of the petrol. Look at the price of petrol today in your country. This is the price. Diesel at 17 Ghana cedis. Super X at 13 cedis 30 pesos. Super BM at 14 cedis 35 pesos. Mimia or say Anthony Mwakwaba. Mami estaboko there. I was saying, I'm not bringing Mahama. Say ono na ama patro boy drink. Me yes sir. Na ma reduce my level to that one of Ebejina haya eyezu eyezafo no bi. Temiyepa. Say me yes sir. I have reduced myself to eyezu eyezafo no bia. Because me to me impefe say na ita de mamu ha patro. A diesel, a liter of diesel, and I'm 10 cents. It was some filling stations. And I know, say, it actually comes from somewhere else. You cannot manage it or you cannot make it costless. But my question is, why should Mahama, on why President Penyo, or no, why Vice President paying? Why should he have to come out and tell Ghanaians when he was in opposition, say, Eye no krese Ukraine ne Russia ko. E ho na ye fa ye petrol ni ye diesel ni ye gas ni ye niema bebere free. Onimpa o, why ye president before? Why ye vice president also before? Why ye minister so paying? So he knows how the global economy or the geopolitics a function. So he's aware of everything. And my question is, why did he use these issues of fuel prices in his campaign messages? Was he deceiving Ghanaians? Or fire to say a moana? A year no question in symbol more kind that be said. Ghana for a short memory, no, or a pray, or yeswana. I want to understand. Say, Papano eteki say a short memory association for an Anampono said your can assembly. Say, when we are after power, we lie. Assembly him saying, you know, correct, their frame. Or Katana ni. Any dean tradition na say what happened? Because Brena na Ukraine Russia kono abrochiri haya Italy haya the same thing happened. Said the name can't just support to board this a board cost no sa na cost no so ha. But the NDC were able to craft it say because of missed management. Ewo MPP abaimu ena ama patro any diesel ne bokosro. So my question today is say John Daraga Dramani Mahama woni nkrofo. Said ya mukane dabi no. Russia and Ukraine emu wapa. Yani omo man. Na se ye kan sa anso dia. Ya man no. Man na ye free mo no. Eni Iran ni Israel ni America emu twipa esene Russia ni Ukraine. Enti papa eba ne se nene Israel ni America ni Iran for monto kwanti ye petrol yeto ne bo etim kokodru sei abusia. This is the question that I'm asking John Mahama, because John Mahama also asked the same question to Yeura Nana Adodanko Akufo-Addo concerning why should Adentia was said so Ukraine and Russia and your Montokwa and who's in Sanso a bit me about Ghana mine asema papa na kai neti
Ukraine Russia war na Ukraine Russia omo ko a efa ya Ghana for efa ye ho ben ye tie baby Ukraine Russia war wo hwe wo tena play mu na wo ka say wo call Ukraine na wo fi Accra 7,000 kilometers ansa no akodru na omo ko mo ntokwa den say yesika sem na Cote d'Ivoire so ka say Russia Ukraine na omo ko. And so,
a few moments later,
Ghana is not immune from the shocks of global events. Recent events in the Middle East, which involve an exchange of missiles between Israel and Iran, have started to escalate crude oil prices dramatically. I've asked our Minister of Finance and Minister of Energy to keep a close eye on the development and model the possible impacts on our petroleum prices.
Oh, why didn't get basa send this to form more? Hey,
abusia sa watio. But I would have Mahama to opposition no. Asema you Mahama kai ni. Say Ukraine ni Russia kwa. Why should it affect Ghana economy on petrol and diesel? Ene Nyankopon pebone. The same issue is happening very far, but be assembly seen than Okurano. A whole was saying, but be an assembly cost that me and Richard Mokwaba. But be assembly seen, no. A whole wa a sin, but be an assembly the beer. Na Mahama, Eddie Chaman for Yapia. So I'm asking Mr. President, Daraga, what has changed? And Yehuda Mahama, Papa, no, he don't actually respect Ghanaians. Tie. And Yehuda Mahama kotna se kushia CSO so oni omo din koma. Tie me yepa. After the reality has catch this man. We were beginning to enjoy some of the lowest price of fuel. Unfortunately, the Iran-Israel war happened. Eti memente brofo. Mimisuko ameko ye mekoni terikasam timi Latino. I'm out me from Latino. E normal. But mitimi kan ade we papa ya atwere ho se. He's making it clear say fuel prices are not governed by Ghana. Papa ya hoye ni mu kan kire yen say price of fuel no enye Ghana man no they decided how much they should sell it to the ordinary Ghanaian. Ene a wanya power no ena okasa asem na kire. But obra not abontene no o kan kire wo say adenti I wo say yen kase eye how bi e koso wo man foforo bi so na de hawa bre yen brother, my sister, my auntie, my dofu for them. The question is simple. Do you think Mahama failed say Ghana for ye kwasi afo na? A question na me bisa. Because he is not even ashamed to talk about them. After the reality has catch him, or the confidence to stay in front of the country, to stay in front of the national media houses. Say, Ntesura otutu form dabino. Osande ne techrema ekobo mutafre emene eguniyam. Na ogusu hewanim. This is a disrespectful act. A very, very disrespectful. Say we didn't trust them. Now Sansunya college. Ediji to me free me some. Now we can say college bejinama nim san catch them say who didn't trust them. But the same way, you will get some stupid comedians or multi-dynamo bebo munsem edama darigaman way. A man for a transebo munsem edema papa way. Abra odin trotwan kontompo edi omwatem because we a yatemu de direct. Chese o catch say we kwase ampanyini. We jimintia mi di introchro say koto abama mena me ba meti petro so emfa ho se ntokwa bi koso obabi wa jiminti uji tu mu koto aba enti ene me be so ye kwase ampanyini. John Mahama was indirectly insulting his party full soldiers. What did you want them in front? Some way more money adrene and then you were beginning to enjoy some lowest price of fuel. Unfortunately, the Iran-Israel war happened. Mahama. Unfortunately, John Darega Dramani Mahama's second coming administration happened to Ghana. Unfortunately, because of your short memory association group, what created or mote was said, Jimmy, 50 cities, obeto amount, 10 cities, obeto amount. Omani Indomie, Preti Bakwa, Obekwa Koda, a police station home at the action of a ton and tem the Amajo Mahama, because your promises say a bar, a man a cocoa bako, a man Indomie box back, a man a fry toe, Jimmy, and any end. Now, listen to what the actual Minister of Energy said when fuel prices went up in time of Yura. Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo.
Concern the rampant and unbridled increase in petroleum prices demonstrates that the Akufo-Addo government is insensitive and heartless to the ordinary Ghanaian. It is equally important to put on record that Ghana is a net exporter of oil. Therefore, when prices of oil at the international market rises, Ghana must benefit. And this benefit must be translated to the ordinary Ghanaian. When prices go up, because we're a net exporter, we gain more. And so it cannot be the case that international oil market prices are going up, and yet Ghanaians are suffering from the windfall that we make from petroleum exports. The recent increase have only resulted in worsening of the living conditions of the already impoverished Ghanaian under the Akufo-Addo presidency. One cannot but come to the conclusion that the Akufo-Addo-led government has run out of ideas. Hence, their decision to resort to such a rampant petroleum increase.
Oh, why didn't you basa send this to form me?
But just what the year, Paul. Sabre no mono. Sa papa we no opposition. I'm saying fena buj na po. Or see the cost of petroleum na cost no. E na nado dan kwa Akufo-Addo are buying ɛna ɛyɛ kohwini onni ma adwene bi ɔde bɛbu man ɛne nti ama patro bo kɔ soro. The question still remain the same. Metumi atra ha me nso meka sɛ John Mahama ne n'aban ɔmo ne solution bia ɔmo ne adwene bia ɛne nti ɛnɛ patro ne bo ɛkɔ soro ana. Wei madam fu bi ne sɛ me misama no utumi kyerɛ wadwen comment section box so kama. Is it true that John Mahama that regards administration a lack of ideas and inti a patro bo kosoro ana abana ye de bo tachi no ye de bebo ba the and the price of petrol, diesel and gas has started skyrocketing. Akufo-Addo is no more in power. MPP is no more the party that is ruling. Enti abana amode boy and dabino. Ye de bomb on so bisamo say. Enti is it because of lack of what we call ideas and ama the price of petrol akoseyana. Anamu ye nkonto mpofo mutumi di ntro edcv the ordinary Ghanaian to vote for you for no reason. These guys must come and answer themselves. And I thank God to say, time is the best judge in the world. And this time, naturally, without anything, NDC is admitting all the lies that they throw into the air when they wanted to come into power. Everything is catching them one by one. We a fuel price SM and Amidi Brawi. So why do you comment section box for? Ye babe to aso, ne ye din komo afa another matter. Ye ever baha. Me da se unya bre na uditie this first part of my editorial. Message say like a video, no share, comment. Na unya subscribe so na wa subscribe no abeka abusianku eno eho. Yemra sisi entwe animra.
Oh, why didn't kete basa send this for memu? Hey, Yesu. Oh, why didn't kete basa send this for memu? Hey, Yesu.
Yes, why didn't kete basa to say NDC for amamuo? Hey, Yesu. Now I just saw Ayeza enra. Guy no say, hey. Na me de me ko he ene ye betoaso ye besemu ene de ba se ye besemu ye besemu pa so ye besemu amaba bia ayede ai midin edaso eye Ras Mr. Mafo editorial Ras Media GH on YouTube. Meso say like video na share my on like here and our like unsubscribe so remember to subscribe to my channel and become part of my great family. Yen samra back into the room na yemfa the other matters a ball hot on the media. Abusia. Here John Dramani Mahama, when he was in opposition, can say Akufo-Addo don't want to sign the LGBTQ plus bill because according to him Nana don't pese obe pass bill no dear. Ye to abama ni be di president obeduru ya obe sign bill no ama nipa and mema omo ne mada and to me nkoso e wo Ghana man mu papa ne ka sa asem no enam so ma Sam George nom ebo won homodene edi trumu sem no beto MPP amanyokuo eko mo se MPP amanyokuo supporto trumu efo enema ye ka se da bi entisa sa trumu ho nsem no something very dedicated Se wo sori se wo ya aban na wo de emra bi enforcement bi ekotutrumu ho a, it means say you are actually fighting the white man or more the supremacy on us. John Mahama said that be. In fact, John Dariga Dramani Mahama on his campaign tours said something about Trumu. Yenti na yemra.
Judy in my faith is against LGBTQ. Me Assemblies of God me. If we say the faith I have, Empany say Bema, Bewari Bema, Oba, Bewari Oba. Bill a war parliament, Omunyam passing, but say Aban actually says Omu passing president on sign. If he say the attorney general like can say Bibi a private members motion. Obetimi pass a bill with a private members motion, but enise edekabia ebeto abanso. And based on that technicality, President Asegna said Seba on signing. In terms of idea between Parliament and the executive, Omoshe na Omokan, or Ebia Sombeshe bill Numa, Noma Shebibia, it puts a charge on government na Omoye Nuifriwa. Then it opens the way for the president to be happy to sign the agreement. And so, me personally, Benjin this, and a man is a man, a woman is a woman. Me believe it say nipa utimi sorry I say me fili wo me muse me oba. And so yeah, wo me be mind to me cause no my oba. Debi, I mean nature created us man and woman. And Nyame Boyano, he knew what he was doing when he created us like that. And so if you ask me, my personal faith is against it.
Papa ne kan ye pa o se de ben odo no ase John Dariga Dramani Mahama de so babeye the president of the republic saber no obesan kura na onwene ho na onti ase de ntia yewura na na do so onye den onsan saber no enti ono de oba se de tie bia no saber no obesan atenensa e de afiri ho na da bia me kasa me ka asem bi e de kire Ghana fo se yewura John Mahama no enye ne first time oben akonwa nie bra na yewura Mahama ne yedi nkomo no na onye obi a onim the corridors of power, what it means. He knew everything. He was aware of the geopolitics, how it functions. He was aware of all these issues. John Mahama on Adam for a friend and Soromo, or you gave for president. John Mahama's friend is Andy Soromo. Yeah, who is so and damn pam or more trapichena. Mankeso more for muhu or more damn pam. So the man knows how complicated it is, that issue. But on him say, there were crophobia or why from mole supporters, Jimmy Adokru won't know. So cast on only against that, that people will go there and vote for him. John knows, say, by saying so, no, he is going to win heart of the people because that time, Kwasi Ampanyi Sam George and Crawford at TSC Dream, our motium, everybody they say, Akufo-Addo must stop LGBTQ plus in the country. So many people were all about that issue. No, say Ghana, say we Ghanaians, until say we want to hear a proper campaign message, you know. We will always be fooled by the stupid men because any partner about no, we are not ready to hear that one. We are ready to hear unnecessary campaign messages. Bema bisi obedi ne yonku tunu mu aye wasem e fa wo ho. Is that your case? Say oba bi si ono de opede afọ na ompede de aho edene a eno no ye wasem. But people went out there to vote because of Obi say he is against Trumu and Obi a president or Nyemra say they crucify one. We went out there to vote based on distance. Abraham menu nyinanim say yenkura bebre ensu amanfo benom ebi ni ho. Ensu amanfo benom ebi ni ho. Common drainage system ayekum nkrofo drainage gata etwin sufi ekogu baabi. Enye adwuma wo man nom. Malaria ne ntontom na awie na kuyen. Ordinary Ghanaian kwasi ampanyin bi ote akra ase bi baabi ote gata da ho ntontom ewom etumi kum nipa du. He is not talking about those things so. His interest is about homosexuality. Yan kan say trumu asem. Ene ye wasem. Bema bi no so no pe bema ato eye wasem. But we sat down for them to use that one to convince us to go and vote for them. And now me no ka say Yewura Mahama nya tumi wie ye no. De na ye kan en bede bi kire mo say trumu nsem na nya de bi ehu hia Ghana nei. We are thinking about different things no. And Yewura Mahama ankasa be gina bonten kan kire wo say trumu asem no ehu hia mpo say odi wani bedi a kire. Me say this man has actually crafted a well-crafted lies, deceive messages. Messages are commanded the minds and the brains of men, foolish men, low IQ men. And they bet to me afri nipa da sani ano ye adwuma pa ne nsam. Amoji to me na so sourcing and omo ye. Krono akese and omo bo. While the ordinary person is suffering. Now, enkwasi akeka no so no kan bia utuminya punishment wo ho. Tiemi ye pa. Mi ya samoro ko no me wa kwa papa. Enkwasi akeka o kan eduru ba bi onya punishment. John Mahama knew say Ghana for yede ya Jimmy nti o kan kwase asema ni kwan say a leader of a society a campona we will still vote for him. Let me explain to you. A leader of a country, you lead everyone. And found so ye gay on ye gay. And found they are your leader. So you as a leader, no, you actually fact check your words out of your mouth. I bet me against some group of people in the society, no. You have to be very, 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 very attention on that one. But Mahama say Ghana for no mudi ne chine mwa, so he can say every stupid thing. But no knowing say on the international platform, enkwasi asem na okeka ni nyina no. They are watching and they are hearing. Abusia. Now, no John Mahama say okwa koji doctorate degree at the University of Lagos. Dear Nessie, enkrofo mo adwene mu dono say, uye nipa bi a won sem fata so be kan before because uye discriminatory. Udi nchichemu ba nipa mu. Un kan sem pam fa nipa nyina ho. Enti yem fa degree ne ma. This oba abonten be pa acho. Tiemiye pa. The international communities has forced John Mahama to come out and apologize to that society LGBTQ plus. No? International society na pam edija atuna chi se onko pacho. Se sa nkwasi asem na okan no onka bibie mo na brabom. Ena papa na bati se odwan ya oya ba bewu so yeso edwan funu aka akra na wawu. Ena obebe gira ho. Ena enkrofo no so mo ye the civil society say from mo say no. Odin trochro mo. He will not tell you the truth why he is out there now begging for forgiveness. Because the international communities have warned him. Say, so when now if you bring out any law of that type, we will shut down your economy. I'm telling you from here. Hey, who are you to tell the Western world to say you don't want trumu krum? Abra the Western world don't want to invest in krum. I will share a video. No? Listen to this video.
If we were in an unconstitutional government and I had unlimited powers, all the people against whom allegations are made, we face.
And governance in the country.
Regarding LGBTQ plus issues, it remains a highly emotive and sensitive issue, even in the most advanced liberal democracies. I explained during my recent engagement with the World Affairs Council that it's not the most important issue we face as a nation. We're still grappling with the provisions of basic needs of education, healthcare, jobs, food, clothing, and shelter. Nevertheless, the private members' bill introduced in Parliament has sparked a complex and sensitive national conversation. Our position is guided by our Constitution, respect for human rights and dignity of all persons, and the need to preserve social cohesion. While there are strong and differing views within our society, we believe that these issues must be addressed through democratic processes, our core values, dialogue, and the rule of law. I'm also mindful of reactions from our international partners, including the recent developments such as Lincoln University's withdrawal of their honorary doctorate. These developments underscore the importance of continued engagement and mutual respect, and of situating our national decisions within our constitutional and cultural context. Government is intensifying efforts to combat galamsey, promote sustainable land and water use, and strengthen environmental governance. We look forward to closer collaboration in safeguarding our natural resources for future generations.
Yewura Mahama ka asem no de share na sum de share ne hwenem because onim se nim guase na dɔɔso ɔse trumu asem no ade bi very complicated enam so ma University of Lakeomfo se omo kɔbɔ na abasobodini omo atwe asan because waka nkwase asem. Instead of Mahama to come out and appeal and apologize to Ghanaians, he said he has deceived Ghanaians, you know. A friend in Crofona, maybe bo video be actually. I will say, Odia Dianashi show monum to a monka or moanum tumuno. Wakokane ho kakrebi dia sheto kromuse. Sadiano, eya debia, e was a yemfa ye constitution, no, and then manage, no. Your constitution so chere say enipa bia said the otie no fata bia no o deserve say obenya obetumi aye de ono efiri say eye de ope Yewura Mahama enti enne na wasua saade we Yewura Mahama enne wahu say the constitution of Ghana is higher than every law in the country. Afena wati ase enti brana na uti opposition na ukesa Akufo-Addo percent trumu fo emeji Ghana mfaso no ebra na one Sam George mu tiem se trumu no Akufo-Addo na se Ghana fo nye trumu no sabre no na unim say the constitution was a superior to any other law in the country ana na unim say there is a particular article where constitution no mo e kire say enipa bia said eni sunu ne ban tie you as a president must to protect his life. Now, when him was here, have you seen the disgraceful moment of John Mahama? Now, he went out there to do these stupid things with his for and for the CEOs. Because that CEO for no, CEOs for no, I will question more. No. They are not for Ghana, they are for their stomachs. Sam kwasiafo we ya ɛna bra Akufo-Addo te konwa so organize a press conference said another should sign the bill saa nkwasiafo we ya binom and organize a demonstration against Galamsey. Me ba ni ma me na okasa. Ene the LGBTQ plus your friend is saying bill no yen sign ye. When we say kwasi ampanyi ni bi ye demonstration da bi adentia me be ka ho asema chiro. Galamsey has tend to be worse. When we say sankrofo we be esi abonten say oye demonstration. Fishermen me akwa aba na park e wo so mo akwa. Mama Monica me akwa aba ye pa. All of them are silent. But do you know the reason why they are silent? Do you want to know the reason why these guys are so silent that they are not talking? Unim di enti ankrofo we nkasa. Ba be chiro mu di enti ankrofo we omu nyina aka omo anu atom omo nkasa. I'm coming to tell you. Nyantoba se na men prepare ma. Ene yewura Mahama kama yate ase se. Sa CEOs for no, they are not talking for one reason. The reason is say papa ne say ono onyine no okai pa. Se wo didi aduane hye wanuma eya man kasa. And he has been growing with that. But your video way, dear.
Arrested them, put them in a sawam. When you are at the table, and not to talk when your mouth is full of food. I mean, all these things I've grown up with. So if you come to dinner with me, you're not going to find me belching at dinner and talking to you with my mouth full of food. So,
but you tell me, pa, Mahama ya tricky show. Mrs. CSO suno. Amu ye John Mahama ne namfo. And on a national television, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is telling the CEOs said they have to shout their mouth up. Adentia or the Biania Shomwanum. Indirectly, Mahama was telling them so. Listen.
To belch when you are at the table and not to talk when your mouth is full of food. I mean, all these things I've grown up with. So if you come to dinner with me, you're not going to find me belching at dinner and talking to you with my mouth full of food. So,
and this is what you. Yewura Mahama say, CSO suna civil society organization for no more kotra hodo. Yewo information say they are on government platform on WhatsApp. So indirectly, Yewura Mahama was telling them say, you must shout your mouth down. He is telling them in point blank. Listen to the video again.
To belch when you are at the table and not to talk when your mouth is full of food. I mean, all these things I've grown up with. So if you come to dinner with me, you're not going to find me belching at dinner and talking to you with my mouth full of food. So,
and Bahama so no dear. Ye can corruption powerful ono e ya de bi ono no de nyini ye. The fact is say yes see. The fact is say yes see uti aduane ho a enkasa wanum ayema ye enkasa no. He grown up with that one, and for that reason you know one ni didi a wonte se okasa sanso no ne wusu didi a on person better se okasa enti sa CSO for no omo nyina anum ayema, and he don't want to hear them talking. This is a direct message your president John Dariga is telling the CSOs. And to what to him say we call Jose. They were there for the good of you, no. Master, you have been deceived. They went there just to what? please their master, please their paid master. They want there to support their paymaster to deceive Ghanaians and to execute the job or their shop. Once I say they should not talk because they were talking all the time. Say this omudi dia omonka omwanu ntum. Asem wenti enye onwa. Asem we enye onwa. This is John Mahama's advice, and this is John Mahama's way of governance. Ye twetwe sika no de aman kwasiafo binuma di. Na omwaka omwanu atum. This is what Mahama is doing with our taxes. You're correct. Yento aso na yenko yanim on another topic. But before we go, let's listen to this.
Oh, why didn't Katikati Basa send this for me? Hey, Yesu. Oh, why didn't Katikati Basa send this for me? Hey, Yesu.
Akurana mama sresa, I want to Katikati send this for Abamu. Abusia, Yako, say Yako, Akwabi, say Fenisasu, or so a lawyer. Say a lawyer. Or you're the MP for Medina, lawyer Sesu. I know you're the member of parliament for Medina. Also say,
within the 24-hour economy, no, you be share myself from 6 o'clock into Obibeko 6. Ebebo be set 2 no now upon. The second set Ebeko from Sa 2 no. Ebebo 10 no so upon. The third set Ebeko be set 10 and upon 6 no upon 8 hours biano. Nipa juma.
A few moments later.
Sit on Twitter and TikTok and make the noise and see what that noise creates jobs. Can you imagine if you're a young person and all you are doing is having a small Indomie joint that gives you about, let's say, 200 Ghana cedis profit a day, and you have about 10 of those Indomie joints? How much are you making a day? Ghanaians and young people must begin to look at entrepreneurship as a way out of the youth unemployment situation. Otherwise, I fear that we may just crash, and that is the honest truth. Jenny MPG, come out and I saw me.
Why didn't Katikati Basa send this for me? Hey, Yesu.
Abusia, what MPO? When he was after power, Okache, the youth of Medina, said he is coming to create job where 24-hour economy shift. We youth, don't worry. Ajumaba kubia enipa miensa na beye. Na sasa na mbisa ma say, how are they going to implement it? How are them going to implement it? People said, no, the NDC is capable of doing it. Passport office, Ombeye Juman Premier, we call na we yaba, and people suddenly fall love into these lies. Akoto abana de ama papa no waba ene asema papa ne kan kire ye ne se yenko na yenye den yenko ton Indomie at a different joint enti Accra na wanya Indomie joint be se num ensia enson ene be ma osika na Ghana for ya so etene. In the past, NDC told Ghanaian youth to say, if you want job, go and collect stones from the bush. Na for be go kwanche beton. Ye kaya kama nidru say yenko twetwa enwura emeton. We did not listen to them. And Nanado told Ghanaians something that is very, very interesting. I'll say, enipa oba ya went to me among Kania for the just first 8 hours of the shift. No, how do you believe he can provide light for 24 hours continue? Ghanaians didn't take any seriousness of what Nanado said. And then what? Yes, you could turn Indomie. Ko na koton Indomie. Abusha me de ubesia some particular problem because we have to end here. But ubet me afre na watch the wadring e wo commercial e wo platform we so. Meeting any Mr. Mafo ha Ras Media GH. Meso se fre na chire wadwen na yenko yanim. Ai yenko yanim, yenko yanim. Yenko yanim nko. Na mo video we me pese me mo na Ghana phone tie bi. How Mahama is a liar. Muntie. Abraham Metren course.
All the problems you have with your allowances and everything. And we're going to come and make things better for you. We're going to come and restore automatic posting so that when you come out of school, you can get a job as quickly as possible. And your younger brothers and sisters who are going to come after you, when they come to the first year, they are not going to pay any school fees. We're going to continue all the hospitals that are being built so that we can employ as many of you as possible.
Mami ayo na nso e.
Yes, what do you before?
Ye da Yankopon ase.
I'm calling no him out here.
Obia ho ye pa. Mami.
Papa ya ujina ho ya o kase. Onye credible. Or your contacts.
Yeah.
Now, Obia or your contacts piano. He don't deserve to lead a nation.
Absolutely no.
But yen Ghana for no. Yen she ye fe. Obia Mr. Mafu or what a junior emudo. Na emudon. On tiesa papa with that.
Dabi.
But and now set ya dream people so listen to him. Now say and me person me pusa Ghana for said your man akabutum. Are they happy with it? Because someone you happy work so she and why you send Sunday football year mukoboya. Obisi you could do 40% near the 30% abroad.
Yes.
And as you could do 70% near the 30% abroad. Look at that.
Very disrespectful.
This man,
Very disrespectful.
Yeah. Oh yes. And Mahama is selfish. Or you greedy. Nani brady. Na obia nani brady bia on so your cromfo.
Oh, I need a natural. When you brother your cromfo.
Obia nani brady bia until right from Tana. Na President Mahama or your vice no. The crown no start free ho. But me crofo a me no mu nyina come say. Ya dwunumu ya wadwunumu how. Because that was when you need to discover say papa na urban or your common. Na se mo be hwa so asa tamo no na aka ya former president awanya be ni baby ko na o discover Mahama character eba ho peso o yi ni free ho peso o yi Mahama e free na memwo. So at the end because na papa no na Mahama ma o ma Mahama kwan e ma ne peso o de ne ma bi beba betata na mamu. So therefore what do we need to do?
Get rid of him.
Yes. Omuwie ye na pa na Mahama bebe president. And omu ya konfo no mu support Mahama. They did support him and they loot. Omu ria o Ghana. When you na antre Ghana fofo. Omu vote no kwa bonten. Wose obia wose wo kwa Mr. Maf wose wa wi. And na ye den akadumpe. That was the second lesson, a mom. So Pikachu will say, a piano would see garden medi, ama chance to siwa. Next time, Ubeja will be an yes will be.
Dabida.
But a num said Ghana Yari at Junimu Hountino, or Musadu Mukokumu to about the Mapapawi, said my sister. Say, Omobas, we are catching them say, a enjoyment now, more joining or more enjoying. is the handwork of Nanado and Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia and MPP government. Adrian no mu yede. Omu just see hono. And then Mahama yede 80. But after 2026, no, in the middle now, just the third quarter, no, and you be who say, Mahama Mamu feeling.
Yeah.
See a cancer.
Yeah, of course.
And then you are on pepone. Now, one junior say, Niniana no will poor mine or minor or beji kutaya, or handle over the man, no, or poor man or yaumu. But still yet, no, Wamagana Fwan or Yahweh, said you are more mukomu. One junior woman or can some full fananado, the Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia, or 2 women the public say they are not credible. But now, who is credible now, Mahama? You be so. Who be the Nanado attempt? Who be the Dr. Mahmood Bawumia attempt? Who did the MPP attempt to the whole Ghana? About the whole world. Shepa Papa, you and some man with the walk say Russia, Ukraine, any Russian Tokano, Ebeha. Mahama, now one to me and some who say, to see now, me make crime, me some Africa say, because that again, you see.
Yes.
When you have to smart. It be a some tune pone, no what to papa, what to the papa, no what to the pone. Anything can happen. But so we opia, we Christo, Nina, soon, Yamia. You pray all the time, say, and macarami to be on the day, and see what when.
Yes.
That's how human you live. But Mahama, the Casa, if we are saying it, dear. If we are saying it, dear. On care, on done 1 minute, one more to tell him when the Bushian country is said, and then I suffer no within the chin said, or one can tell some hammer. This word doesn't belong to you. It is a war casa, actual young politician. Casa papa a family. The Pasia catcher and this for say, Nanado, any year papa for. They are the best president, our mobility Ghana.
Yeah.
And there is no doubt. Napa Wumiana, who Ibrahim, at 2 Sikabu Rium, at the mamma for so mundina demo. All this Tenamunamobatuyan was implemented. Nanado, Emma, Bawumia, Emma, Nima be pray. Mahama, because Nanado future our Bawumia.
Yeah.
Nanado said, a papa, some fan who patame one. That is the Ghana cost of a Mukrana or be airport. Nanado and ya papa phone future our Bawumia. But yet Ghana for it yet. You set your big destroy papa no.
Yeah.
But me person me catch Ghana for them to raise say. Dear Onyankopon or didn't say Shrano. I'm telling you with the gospel to move to me send that.
Absolutely no.
And some form kapa for papa you win an. Mutuna de dibano. Some of Mutuna de dibano.
Yeah.
Yan fan non chincha Ghana for say with your cremoniti and peno. Onye Christo ni nti yempeno. Mr. Mafo, and then we are sent to almost a friend Bawumia.
Yeah.
Who are you? Who Ghana ni now who feel who can come on what promise no? Who so won't pay Bawumia? And so now the Krofu Frost in Yana and Quamu Yede, and Quamu pay.
Yeah.
Quamu pay. Musamu kwa fat one more or more by Jemu, a free, a genimu, a democracy. Omo buy omo yimu free nsuo no asa dia ye den akoto ojem.
Yeah.
Mahama mamu we ka nkamu bu kura nkaye. And there is more to come because in Tokwai omo kunwe. And ye papa Trump gina ha ka say wakum omo nyina wanka so wakum omo nyina say omo from so omo ye superior leaders no. Omo nyina omo nyina wo media news na behwen ne face expression now. Who best they are all dead.
Yeah.
They are all dead. No more superior.
Yeah.
No more superior. Not me the Hana me woman night. So what you say? Eti ade we esun twa na na but not do poor Ghana for COVID. Russia Ukraine war aduane ni ho eponko plane ko bibia nko. Who papa sa panimu wo ya. Sabita fata ye nim sa adwemu ali and the wo to me now catch Ghana for you and say Russia Ukraine war in here. So today no one and also some camera and see the no some country say your friend said we any America front top and Israel front top and bear Ghana. One name coming through and I am to me can't throw. Papa penny muti tinta sio egu predecessor so ade papa penny mu asabita project wonni mu nyansa wona wosio so wonni nyansa so na na ado ene ba womia nanso wo ba ye no ewiase nyina ye den ewiase nyina hu say wo ye criminal, you don't love your people, you love their money. Who pass who be via woman, who be lutu, no creating what was a near ma, and near ma, Mwakasa movia. Mr. Mafu, cocoa for day. Menamana margin boom, margin a boom. But to meet an old Sammy who say, ha, almost 1 year in a real, almost saying your boat. Now, what gun and you would who to me, Busan say. Atiyentino mutuminya sabo no musako koko fon mo kato mo say wo musika o modiama wo no do so na na do de omode ma wo
yeah
bibisa atiye boldness na che say wo hwemo na wo tase pa na mesamapo wo sisi ade we ya and this is one respect Ghana for obum sa mo ye mowa
yeah woni mu nyansa
ntino
yeah
LGBTQ asoma bayi Munim say, ya kaye, ya catch them, Dr. Mahmoud Baum, ya catch them, Fanam Ran Wobber sign. Because Sadia will crown, approach for a year be time.
Yeah, baby,
so
yeah.
Far, at the end of free woman, a year be time. So what you say? Now, but that almost I will buy you some judge said, or buy you one supper, and me suffer my castle said, me and me suffer than you also yama.
Yeah.
But my unit in the platform. So.
Yeah.
Because when to me and delete as some way as a suffer. When you know Manu Gunanad, so when you nara Mutuna Manu Gunanad. Emma, when you know Baba Das said, yet that's some Mahama so bow beside. Because she and me Busa Ghana for. And the Munyan said, or bear was fine. And no what they the propaganda. Because on no what's so mubo. What's so mubo. Mahama says to what Paul said in Nantama. And then you bring me talent. Omlan no sign. Only be. Mr. Mafo, Mahama hasn't got a boss. Only be. On to me inside that. Not your fraconyaso. So what you say? Mutana homa among to me that damn say that. I'm not with Mahama ba power. They don't mean well for Ghana.
Absolutely.
They don't mean well. Because Omudian said, Nanado and Fesikani Momuni. But we in Tanzania, you have to think, say, there was a crony biba Akura or orphan or school. Nanado didn't just stop giving you people man. Now, according to Mukrano, not a man for one, you can't say, Esika the form, so the other day. At the prayer warm media for, but depending on deliver Sicano. The cano and then deliver Sicano. And Ama media phone, they hate Nanado and they hate MPP. But me in particular, no. Me, yes, and Nanado, me a media near on first camera, me and son, my poor man, because you see, the crony in a sayo, a papo, yen yet. Muamuko family by Kania Kani or Muntria bi. Petro Moyade and the UK has say Asda you can say Tesco Sainsbury's Petro, there's no petrol, no petrol, baby. So what you say? There's no petrol anywhere. If you can open in a month when you break, petrol ni baby. Before me banus boy no so Germany, also sa petrol, and why a diama, the see a juma grave.
Yes.
Oh, it is only part we are penny. Now who be on my swat. know how to communicate in public, know how a certain words won't come out from your mouth.
Yeah.
But Mahama, handkerchief so nano a so koko won some on na point is na obupa no ma be hwe aguo because omo kotena consonant asa no be do consonant no na nipa o be host no na ne envelope aye den aye ready da anana ne momo na aye den na su etu obetena wa nkwasiade no be aye den obehwe ama na aye den aka na ye nyina ye tia na me woni Ghana fo na masa woni NDC say the we say enwo ho emam afebo ena edwuma mu di Ghana fo no dako onyame bebue wo mani ena Ghana fo nso so no omo ye weak e wo mpaibom their spiritual no ye weak eti na sankrofo we nyina enya wo nti na asofo no kura nyina enya wo if you are good in prayers ena we you good ena we trust Erade a it will be difficult for enemy to get you. So what you say?
Yeah.
No, nyina ye weak into no. Etina esi edun ketia tumi kotetere. Wo mo decision to wo no. Esi edun ketia na nyowa se ayi abretere nyowa no. So what you say? Na Ghana fo mo hwe bibi ye. Mo nwene mo mada ache ho. So obakwa kwaje 2000, 30,000. Na wo di akoto aba ka hu say one day no Mahama Ibrahim Mahama onni ho ada bi odi 30,000 e baba ye dey ababa be show photo because e dey bia no wa wo to one you don't know what is tomorrow, you don't know what is ahead you. It's monwene mo hwe kwan o mo di wuntumi de fast mo hwe kwan ya Ghana fo wuntumi nya hwio onya hwe na ade o mo so wuntumi ye no o mo ye the worst than wuntumi de no. But it wasn't true. These people has no human soul living in them. They are so wicked. And this is for you wicked. Now, Oman ba mama mo Ghana for. Who feels so much? I'm not the more yet. Now, I want to say, Sasusa, I'm going to cotton to Indomie. What say you?
I say, no, yeah, Juma for Abanano.
To the Maminya will see a adio quiet the oye, a chiller for Sasuka Siana no pafusa prequano. For no so dear brandy. I mean, sure, baby, Mr. Martin, for bye bye.
Bye, mammy, I mean, come. Yeah, mammy, Esther, and I tell you, aye. Mahama, they say the Jagunichemo. Why am I not broso? Why am I not broso? I'm in finance scholar. I'm in finance scholar. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, I say. Oh, you're also. If you are Juma internal, a money pay a busy cacra.
But I want to say,
me ho ya pa na so e
I did kind of one shroud. Don't condemn no man qua holding. But the tossum you know so, Mechia, I brought Yamin Shanopa.
Amen.
Now man and qua holding no one home by. The toss also a doctor. The speech of Comaye, and in media or Yanko Pomon home by. I won't shrano. The BB opens or yet the Bogan at piano, a town for Ninano, a Mram to no. So more we are on one of the Tom animal. The toss also yet my own to me. The same Uncle Pompaye, not dumb and the mobile home, and the bamboo at the manor. So Uncle Pom, and her, the one can't last a manor. Babo can soon must some car. Yamin can be more. Until me say, so you must some car, Yamin can be more. When we corner qua, Yamin could be more. Until you done in Yam and Uncle Pom, Yamin in free. Then couldn't be Emra. Let your man so open and so. Then you know I'm from by one telegy. Then couldn't be Emra. Now, Omidi Chairman, am I? The toss one so you mean nearby Esther, Lebia maybe Chiano. Professor in whose GM, I say, one so bad when we start a mini about my brother.
Oh, Mammy, yesterday, they were soon.
And he, deɛ ɛka ho a meka kakra bɛsɛ meka ne sɛ MPP foɔ no sɛbi wo yɛn mpanimfoɔ no a na ɔmo di anim no ɔmo nsua deɛ platform yi so baka SK ɛhɔ baka no platform bebree so sɛ MPP foɔ nsua deɛ adeɛ na meka sɛ ɔmo nsua na ɛsɛ mo no a mo kasa ɛde ma yɛn ɛsɛ ɔmo pɛɛ de mo na kyɛ ma wontumi hwɛ sɛ deɛ Mahama baa ne nua Ibrahim ɔbredi no ɛma Samija mfi akwadaa wo yi a wɔnyɛ adwuma da a sisi no ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo pɛɛ ne sika ba ne sɛm ne sɛ eduru baabi a ɔno nso atumi anya sika de aboa ɔmo nkurɔfoɔ MPP foɔ no nyɛ saa adeɛ no nti bebisrɛ ɔmo bebree sɛ saa adeɛ no ɔmo ɛnyɛ no Nyankopɔn boa yɛbɔ mpa yɛ Nyankopɔn nso te ase ɔtie asɛm sɛ ɔbɛboa na yɛbɛba bɛn mu di a grass media ɛsɛ mo sɔ n'asene SK ɛsɛ mo sɔ n'asene na mo pete wɔn mo sɛ radio station bi kora na mo bie kɛseɛ kora de ama wɔn mo a na afei wɔn nso kasa ɛde ma yɛ nti deɛ mepɛ sɛ meka kyerɛ MPP foɔ mpanimfoɔ no sɛ adesua na ɔmo nsua na ebi na ɛsɛ ɔmo pete nipa a ɔmo boa wɔn mo no na ɔmo nso mo yɛ du sɛ dedaakye bi bɛyɛ dɛ brɛbrɛ asɛ mpɛ sɛ meka asɛm bi asɛm meka bɛyɛ bi dɛ ɛnyɛ bi dɛ deɛ meka no sɛ ɛboa se ayi gold mines mmerɛ a ɛtɔɔ fam a yɛnhwene kɛseɛ ɔfrɛ John Mahama sɛ ɔmɛboa wɔsɛ wɔntumi mfa na sogyafoɔ ntumi mɛyɛ dɛ sɛ deɛ meka mɛboa ka kyerɛ sɛ mɛboa na naka kyerɛ sɛ sɛ yɛtɔ no $1 koraa nka obi anyɛ dɛ wɔntɔ apaniampa na nado baayɛ ɔbɛsɔ asene ɛboa se asanteman mu nipa a sɛ ɔmo yɛ adwuma wɔ AGC no ɛnyɛ nipa dodoɔ ɔmo nya ɔmo ano aduane daama deɛ a wɔso wɔgye ama ne nua no sɛbi asantefoɔ sɛbi o ahemfo no ɔmo hɔ no ɔmo tumi akasa sɛ ade na yɛ mpene ɛma amfa ma nua ne baayɛ no a na AGC da fam ne yɛpɛ obi aboa no John Mahama so wɔntumi nyɛ asɛm bi ka me boa ɔnka nkyɛ sɛ meboa
na buka no kore pa
asɛm bi kan menim sɛ de wo sitie no kora na woka mede bibia ma wo a wobɔtie ɛna ahwɛ ɛna ahu sɛ de meka no yɛde nti sɛsɛ no daaba deɛ na ɔso wɔde ma ne nua no nti asante no sɛbi ahemfo no a ɔmote wɔ no ɔmo ntumi nsɔre ɛnkasa sɛ yɛ mpene na berɛ a AGC ɛguuyɛ na yɛsɛ yɛyɛ tɔn kora $1 kora yɛntɔ no nyɛ na ado kuro yi a na baayɛ na ɔbɛsɔre na ɛkasa no wɔse maso a meka no ayɛ me anigyeɛ asa ayɛ ma awerɛhoɔ ɛno nso meboa deɛ meka meboa na John Mahama pɛ sɛ wɔkyekyere yɛn nsa egu akyi John Mahama pɛ sɛ wɔkyekyere yɛn nsa na asanteman wɔgu yɛn anim ase na wɔde yɛhyɛ fam sɛ de wrong se baayɛ wɔbɛgye yɛn mpanimfoɔ no adwapadeɛ a na ɔmo yɛ nyinaa mmaa na ɔmo di dwa mpanimfoɔ na ɔmo bie factories a ɔmo yɛ no wrong se mbɛgu ne nyinaa saa na John Mahama pɛ sɛ wɔsan agu asante koko a wɔso wɔntua kae koko yi wɔso wate so tí ɔmo sika nso ma ɔmo a sika no nso wɔntua amanfoɔ tumi afa kaa afiri sɛhwi aba bɛda 2 days ama ɔmo yɛ asante man ɛne bono ɛne akyemfoɔ no ɔmo nso wɔtumi akasa ɛmira kana Japan ɛyɛ a wɔkɔɔ yi ɛmaa bɛsia na kakyɛ nsɛ wode ɔso wɔ bɛɛma a wode bra na aba bɛto yɛ wotumi kɔ hɔ deɛ meka me boa kakyɛ sɛ ɛmaa bɛsia wo ɛna kaeɛ ɔmo de ɔmo ntoma bɔɔ ɔmo asene ɛbɔ duku ɛna ɔmo sɛ kana Japan ɔso yɛ bɛɛma a wɔsɛ wode ɔbaba na ɔba ɛyi a wobɛhu deɛ bɛsi nti asantefoɔ no yɛne yɛpɛ ɛna sika kakra a yɛgyegyeɛ no a yɛde ma yɛ no galamsey a yɛtuo nyinaa nsuo no a yɛsɛɛ no ɛne yɛn nsa ase yɛsɛɛ no nyinaa no nti ahemfo no a ɔmote hɔ no ɔmontumi nkasa ɛsɛ ɔhene nsɔre gyina hɔ na wotena ase na wokasa asanteman mu nyinaa na mebi tu kaa na mede bosome koraa kɔ grounds nyinaa kaka kyɛn sɛ obiara na wo kurom yɛtu galamsey ne biara wɔ hɔ no ɔhene a wote hɔ no bɛtu afiri adeɛ so na sɛ mempene na wɔn mu obiara ntu galamsey no a nka galamsey no nka bɛkɔ so asanteman ne yɛsɛ kuro no koko akuafoɔ ntu ɔmo ka first ne yɛsusua no afe ɛbɛduru bɔ nyɛ ba ɛna papa ɛde koko sika ɛkɔgye na ɔde ato ataadeɛ atɔ mpaboa atua school fees apam school ataadeɛ de ama wo na sika bɛ kurom ɛma a ɔmo di dwa obi akoko sika ba e mono chia on ne de aba enti asantifo no kasa no ye ni ankasa ne ye ho ye mpanimfo no sabi o ebi wo mu nka no kore wo mbedie nko a na ye de no kore na ye beka kire wo mo kema wuntumi nko na tugalam sei kema wuntumi Ibrahim ontu galam ontu ayi ni bi nya ayi lances ye de ma no nya bia na ayi kema wuntumi no obi yo mo de tama mo ye mo de tama wuntumi ne e kwan be na asantifo ntumi nsore anyina ho nka nke se ade a mo de tama wuntumi no enye omo tumi ka ebuasi gold mines e collapse ama na naka kire se me see na naka kire se o ko ton $1 franc yento na ado kroye a mo se na ado ye bonsam wo ye de na se no ama akan asante man se workers no omo ye bie ya omo ye adwuma omo de ye se ba je da ma de na asante man ahemfo no mo ntimi sore na mo nkasa se ye mpene no mama de a wo ye no ye mpene ka tokoko ye se ntu omo ka ate so tuo sika ma mo so sika no so ntua ka ha ye woi anokra na me ka kiro dunia ba esta baby o ye adwuma hospital no adwuma e different for company am you company kese pa let than ye they say adwuma ko form obi aye 8 hours first no so na 3 shift ye konopa ebi ko wia ebi ko anado they say no obi aye 8 hours ona ye na adwuma ne kuta no wo hu say adwuma ne nkoso oda ne mma ebu akatem se mekwa they say 8 hours and obi aye now to Ghana ho na company bie ni ho adwuma bie ni ho wo say me ba ye 3 shift adwuma be na company be na mama wo bie mama company be wo bie company be na wo Ghana company se na wo Ghana ni nyina no Lawrence ne yire ene na busuafo ene NDC fo BNDC fo eto saa ne ma ni nyina company si ena asorfo ni bi asofo ni bi atotototo eyi o mo de ya sore na we ka se nwo kire se u be bie 24 a year na nyansa ne ababa ne wo mu na Ghana fo de sebi o panimfo na se nipa na wo mu no mu nsuo nyansa na ko mu nsuo nyansa ka nya do mama wo be san ba bio oba ye no ena wo bebe bia na wo so ni nua to pepe na wato ni nyina no ni nua na to nyina ye ne dia enti de meka ne se ese ye ma ye ni da ho ni ahemfo no amoka no kure ahemfo no aka no kure nyi sika die nketenkete na emwa ye ese galam se ye wo wi ase nyina wo hwe a asante do ya se ye bibia ensuo nsase omo ase ni nyina nti ahemfo no moto o ye de ahemfo no omo to de na omo a omo ntimi nka na omo ntimi stop wo mo asa ahemfo no ahemfo akase na mo asante region no mo ntimi sore na mo ntimi nka nchom se ye mpene o hene ne sore no fa otuka no so o call regions ni nyina asante regions ni na no ko stop wo mo one day obetimi stop wo mo nyina then so buachi bidin nti de meka na se bisa mafo me che bebre eno kora na me ka tiro asa me ka no anya se bia me bom sire maka nti MPP fo no nsuo nyansa MPP fo mpanimfo no mo nsuo nyansa ana nye da bia na se bi mo ba ye adwuma mo ye adwuma edin pa na wo ye ukodwuma na aso aba na betena konso na chi na wasa akasa
yeah
na kata wo kasa nyina no ebedu ho no na fe no omo yiwa ma eso mo pete ni pani mo say eske ane ferris omo pete mo na fe no e ba ese nka mapo registration for na giska a omo ye na ka mo so mo kasa mo e ka pre bas cross ye fa ma mo e mo credit na mo die bibia mo ye bia mo sika na beto empanifo be na e bo amo enye mo na mo ni abro nye e de kasa ha na e kasa
yeah ni ho
e dia mai enti empanifo empanifo no eso mo di omo hwe nyansa eso mo hwe nyansa na mo pete ni pani bi untimi sei e na ka mo nyina asantefo no ta na chi e na omo ye se ye mpene untimi ye mo ye no ye ntiase a e kasa mo ni kai ka e kana be hwe NDC ni nyasem a obo so mo nyina di atiri na so pipi ni nyasem a untimi nyasem yi empanimfo no asante region untimi na nya ni sika untimi na koy na de mo yina ma na so untimi ni sika en na ho odin en ni medie e de aboa party ni pa oba e position be na de ma untimi wo di position bi ya man position bia aso kana Japan ya no kasa a no on kan kure eniema wo je untimi wonya bi As you know, I did the who do that, and was a yama. Namuka could be any day, I say some to a Panama could be a dear, and a Dr. Baumia or a Brebuka. If they could, Yano, or you be or what party. Kokofu, any pa, or but when yes, General Secretary, or between their boy. And to a moment, I said, it's a good answer, I'm able to put you and a depend on a depend pan or buy with my dear boy. Thank you, Pinia. I can't miss me.
Me da se bebre.
It does be place one. Can catch him in your bass, Esther said. The soft one was waiting a man when you managed to know the best numbers near the
All right, me da se bebre.
I mean, so no, me the deputy.
Me da se.
You who one am holding like
Me da se bebre. Betcha labo. Me da se mi ya me ka ho. Yewia Anthony, Tony Mayweather, Tony May Enterprise. I work on Tamantulin 5, open weather, leather papa. Dear come pabo, dear bet, dear paboya, dear come kunya, damun kunya, bet papa, originally from Italy, and any Tony May Enterprise. Yanko yanim, your new color, I will fear, young phone on the call, in teen asset. Hello.
Hey, Mr. Marco, what you say?
Pacha, you and also.
Na me adu na say dem ba so ache. Me kunu
Oh.
Nti na me to be ma so an because Ghana fe no maba.
Oh, yako.
Yes, no. Na me kwa na me tie mu na I said the way you mu nti na me nti me nkasa.
Okay.
Na say there asem na I reho Ghana ye mobo. Ye mobo pa sa aba na omkotoma Mahama ne NDC no. Almost say or my say Ghana, I think say you call back by 20 years. You better and Quemuna Ache. The bank Quemuna Ache. Here, and they say, Sir, Aquana, you didn't have to Ashanti region. I was still here day. Ashanti regional minister. Where immature. When you're immature, I'm saying, and some a course for Ghana, especially the Ashanti region for no. I'm saying, would need move back, would breathe back, cry, and who said the Ashanti for the account 42 years gray. Here, me feel quite any more. Me who Lawrence, me who Chroma Kakra, me who Buzia, me who a Afrifa, me who champo just say woman na sa NDC me would ever feel Nkrumah press cry and Nkrumah time no account for pray asante for account for obia o come say e pray enya asante for nko akan o kasa ye ka sa we ya if requirement Nkrumah press and account for bra besi samri Omupa na ye gold ne ye diamond ne ade a ye de and then ye share oh my god Ghana cocoa and then ye share me crab me they say ye cocoa go akodi and then ye share ye share Ghana and so woman ye ni share Ashanti region then they say oh Ashanti regional minister what ho MPP for a year 40 year as a year interchange. Ama a Kumasi. Woman, ye almost go so a warm year. No, what to a banner fa. Na NDC by a better so 2 tier, my Santa region 2 tier.
Yeah.
Forgotten say one more no woman dying 1 night to 2 warm stores near dinner. Compensation go move.
Yeah, baby. Yaboka gu. Ekrofo we.
Compensation will more you to your ma warm. Now buy ya was a metisu. see they say instead of say you know say so-called Dr. Fono. Kwa kachira wo mo say Monday. Monya bibia mamia. Mo fa sa otie. Mo hwe so nyama. Mr. Man for me figure na ayi for na free so. Contractors no more free. Omo free so. Binim so mbesa akopiem dia. Omo free so omo ni omo nya adwuma o. Just sika MPP tua ye nyina ye waste. Now what's half is the penti the same interchange as kwa interchange ko 4 year mass and for no. What be here so one pack of 4 picture ground found to work. And then she na asal the pony be. One more anya ano and nipa for na one stomach one year funkwana a year warm deno woman ya ho eso san kwase ade we say so. Hwɛ me de me meti de sɛ saa yɛ kokoo na egu hɔ na yɛntɔɔyɛ no meti because there was a news bi a me reading yɛ sɛ ya nsase no mercury asɛe no nsase na wɔn de ayɛ galamsey no kokoo nsase no mercury asɛe no. Nti abrɔfo no mengi ni sɛ sɛ yɛanhwɛ yi a sika paa sɛ yɛbɛnya de atɔ wɔn bɛte bi etu kokoo no ɛnyɛ ɛma. Nti sɛ nananom ansɔre ama wɔn ngyae saa galamsey na wɔn tu no ɔman no mu na ɛbɛyere. Na wode hwɛ areas a yɛtu saa galamsey nyinaa yɛ akan land.
Yes.
Akan land. And no to galamsey no essence ase no na ye hwehwɛ ha ne ye de yentimi nkasa ye ma ye ba ne be 1,000 cities bi de to ha na ne ye bɔdwe so nipa fu sa gantoa na wɔyɛ no ho sɛ skeleton na ɔne nam kumase no ɛne ma fu ade fu wontimi nkasa. Montimi nkasa ma akan for ye won pay kakra.
Yomu bedi.
Domedi na ya wo mo hwe ofrene say kofo time no. Me kai pa obeye road no. Anwaga junction. On say oye tech, oye double roads no free tech ya. What you could do Anwaga junction. Udru Anwaga junction no turn call asukwa. Womu ya womu could drew I'm saying sign any 2 aban no. Was nka NDC buy no. One bet was one. The 8 years NDC from 2009 all the way to 2016. The only place NDC Eddie Ayi Kotali Guye Ahwana Aswase you know Mutaka constituency hope and I mean who say Yagu Yampa Kotali and road Bia so street Bia so Ewo Ashanti region. Check Mr. Marco, I'm telling you, maybe Ghana 3 weeks or 4 weeks in it. So Uko Ghana now Uko Ashanti region. All the inner roads in Ashanti region, Kumasi, yeah, MPP, all the inner road, yeah, no, so a year friend say, assume who question, and no crown no more yet. No one year abiding a coin. Most if you just see even with a whole bit as a correct, most of them is done dropping, most of them is done. Now who am I going to maybe say I'm to be this and me basing now with that Ashanti regional minister now. Why a TikToker? So a TikToker so Facebook boy no. No. I didn't want you walk. Jesus, stop it. So on now be before. Or be friend, no catch and say, the oil, no, a big problem. Hey, 40, what's your mom 20? Huh? Share a useful lie. Woman, me say for the past 8 years, and this young fat, I saw Uncle Bo, I know what that. But quite run up a before by a number. Now, when you say, I say, oh, I interchange that walks of life. I say, oh, none of what you really need to do. A to bottom for near comfort. I want to know more. And people buy a number. So, now they, no more good you want to see. Hey, say, Crawford, mobile, Nippon, I am mobile, obey to me, Perry. Obey to me, Cassa. Obey to me, Cassa, to Mr. Marfo. Maybe a man, Cecilia, your way. Mommy, I'm more pay. MPP for no. Yeah, you campaign. Near your campaign, no. Near to a banama, a large Mahmudu Baumia. Me feel, say, a baby. It's your mom, and mom sometimes so. I am it, say, a doctor wearing ya. Saying a doctor Nyaya. In cap in some babies were Ghana. Said it won't move. You could get black one. One would to work for phone. Kodiombeyana, and papa, you know, pass it. I mean, say, I'm on the side. That's a say, bubo, a mamma, a very say, Mahama, and Crawford. Oh, a phone, my friend, say, Sam George. Also, would need Ghana card. And now Ghana card.
So Ghana card. So Ghana card.
Also, Ghana card. Also, Ghana card. The only Ghana card. You better obey the way you're sim. Mimi to a more Ghana card. My SIM card is connected to the Ghana card. My area, Miss Ankoye Pim, Miss Ankoye. And so Ghana for no more shady, almost I'm Kwana could spend it, say 200 million. And they acquire a new Ghana card. And if we don't need it, the owner is okay. Me and one may be free, because Ghana and one of you be Ghana. Me ba na me de me American passport na me de aba. Wo wura mu a wo de Ghana card and Ghana passport na ade wura mu. And there's no need. Oh, not one na one more pesika e di somebody here dey on somebody here dey. Na me de asofofo na wo mo eye eji bede ma Mahama ba en se wo mo so wo en gba se en ka won. En gba se en ka won.
Come pa.
It's a bit of a corner be rana. The air was a man, no, a time.
Baby,
my noise, that's it.
but I'm so as the power me. I mean, cow. Yes, I wish I'm for. I think say breakthrough. Because I'm for Miss Remo. I said, when to me and Chiama, I'm fan Chemina. I have something to do at home. Very serious thing. It's me don't be see another Madamunya ase. Obi be or buy be a medo be ase. Enemo bre. Yankopon ya adumo chene be see shia. Madamunya ase. Yankopon on kamo hon. No nyemo akese. Na mu bi a mo hwe na obrabom bia na nyema mo. Ha Rush Media GH. Unsubscribe ya na wa subscribe. And then your first time up and so na wa follow us on different platforms, Facebook and TikTok. Rush Media GH. We don't be see ya. Na o chene shia. Until we meet again. Adios.